How to fix choppy video in Premiere Pro. So now when you're trying to export your video in Premiere Pro, export it through Adobe Media Encoder. So you want to click on export, and once you're in the export setting, what you want to do is click on send to Media Encoder. For this, you need to have Adobe Media Encoder downloaded. So Premiere Pro's export is kind of messed up, and Adobe Media Encoder is Premiere Pro's official media encoder, which allows you to render video nicely and in a proper way. So click on send to Media Encoder. Once you do that, Adobe Media Encoder will open up like this. Just make sure Adobe Media Encoder is installed and it matches with your Premiere Pro's version, alright? So wait for some time. Once it opens up, all of your project is going to be exported to Media Encoder over here. So you need to wait for some time, just like this. Over here, just click on it and choose the location where you want the video to be saved and click on save. And then choose the format in which you want it to be exported. Over here as well, you can choose the format. Once you're done, just click on this button and this video will be exported without any choppy footage. That's how we guys can fix choppy video problem in Premiere Pro. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.